In this problem, it says that a study of the amount of time it takes a mechanic to rebuild the transmission for a 2005 Chevrolet Cavalier shows that the mean is 8.4 hours and the standard deviation is 1.8 hours. If 40 mechanics are randomly selected, find the probability that their mean rebuild time exceeds 8.1 hours. To solve this problem, what I'm going to look at is that we're finding a probability about a mean. And in those cases, we need to use the central limit theorem. And what that tells me is that the mean for a particular sample, when we're given the sample size, and in this case we're told the sample size is 40, is just going to equal the mean for the regular distribution, and that's 8.4 in this problem. The standard deviation, however, for the sample is going to equal the standard deviation from the distribution divided by the square root of the sample size. So that's going to be 1.8 divided by the square root of 40. And I'm going to leave it in this format because I want the exact value. I don't want to approximate this. So to calculate this, we're finding the probability that x bar is greater than 8.1. We're going to use the normal CDF function, just as we do when we're finding a probability with the normal distribution. And I put in my boundaries. So we're looking for the probability that x bar exceeds 8.1. So 8.1 is the lower limit. Infinity is our upper limit, really, as much as infinity can be an upper limit. So we're going to use 1e99 in order to represent infinity in this case, just a really, really large number. And then we put in the mean, which is 8.4, and the standard deviation, which is 1.8 divided by the square root of 40. And when I calculate this, I get 0.8541. And that's my final answer.